Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add various animated effects for in-display fingerprint in Samsung smartphone running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung smartphone. So firstly let me show you by going to the lock screen. So you can see here, whenever we start pressing the in-display fingerprint option, so you can see the default animated effects as you can see right now. So in order to add various animated effects for in-display fingerprint, what you need to do is just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as GoodLock, and the first is also the application. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphone, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as FindLock, and the first is also the application. So you either install GoodLock or FindLock, whichever supports in your Samsung smartphone, and after that just open the GoodLock or FindLock. Now you need to download one plugin named as Lockstar. So once the Lockstar plugin is being installed, just tap on it, click on turn off, click on allow. Now you can see here the in-display fingerprint icon is showing up. Just tap on it. You can see below the different animated effects. So you can see, so right now this much of pre-included animated effects is available. So let me select this, and once you're done, just click on this done. Now let us go back to the lock screen and check if it has changed or not. Let me try to press this in-display fingerprint. Now you can see here, so it's perfectly working. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add various animated effects for in-display fingerprint in Samsung smartphone running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.